Do you want to become a millionaire influencer? It's no secret that social media influencers can make a lot of money, have financial freedom, and a ton of sway over audiences. But what does it take to get there? The good news is, with the right steps and consistency, anyone can become a millionaire influencer. In this video, we'll explore 5 actionable steps you can take today to get started on your journey. We'll cover how to find your niche, build your brand, grow your channel, create engaging content, and monetize your platform. Whether you're just starting out or you've been an influencer for some time, Money Utero has actionable steps to help you achieve your goal. How to find your niche. The first steps to becoming a millionaire influencer is finding your niche. Before you begin building your account, you'll need to figure out what your focus will be. Can you write and perform skits or jokes? Expertly apply makeup? Maybe you're a dancer who can perform show-stopping choreography. Or maybe you're a comedian or have an engaging personality. Answering these questions will help you stand out and give you direction for the rest of your career as an influencer. Rather than be a jack of all trades, master of none, aim to be the go-to for your particular niche with a diverse skill. It's great to be knowledgeable about many different things, but the best influencers are those that specialize in 1 or 2 areas. Once you've figured out your niche, research the demand and find out what inspires you. Also, figure out any questions your potential audience may have and then work at answering them. Once you've answered these questions, you can create content with the knowledge you've gained and grow your reach. Building your channel or brand. It's essential to build a strong, recognizable channel or account if you want to become a millionaire influencer. Your account will be seen as a brand, and your brand is what you stand for, from your logo, the colors you use in your content, the overall tone and feel of your channel, to a promise you make to your audience. You can also think of your account as being an extension of yourself. What you share with your followers is also a reflection of you and your values. This is why it's so important to nail your brand from the get-go. The best way to do this is at the beginning of your journey. Map out the theme of your account and then work out how you want it to look and feel. You can do this by creating a mood board based on the colors, imagery, fonts, and style you'd like to use. Next, you can create a visual persona based on your brand, including your logo and color scheme, as well as content inspiration. You can also create a mission statement. Having a strong, well-defined account with a clear mission will help you become a millionaire influencer because it makes it easier for your audience to relate to you and remember you. Your channel should also align with your passions and values, so it's important to take the time to create it properly. Growing your following. When starting out and looking to build a following, it's important to find ways to engage with your audience. First, make sure you have enough content on your own channel so that when people click on your page, they find enough valuable content to follow you. Don't promote on an empty account. Once your account has enough content, you can start engaging an audience by getting them to answer questions, polls, and offering them special discounts. You can also join communities and attend events where your target audience hangs out, such as conferences and meetups. You can also use social media to find people who might be interested in what you have to offer. Create a short-form video no longer than 7 seconds and post it on your account. Make sure it's engaging, relatable, consistent with your niche, and watch your subscriber count increase. Also, look at related hashtags, follow accounts, and then go into their followers section to find people you'd like to engage with. You can also look at related accounts and take advantage of the suggested follow feature. Once you've found people who might be interested in your content, you can engage with them by liking, commenting, and replying to their content. Doing this regularly can help you build your following in no time, and it can also help you grow your channel awareness, which will in turn make it easier for you to become a millionaire influencer. Creating engaging content. Create engaging content to help build your following, as this gives your audience something to relate to and remember you by, and it can even help you make money. There are numerous types of content you can share with your audience. The most important thing is that it's relevant and valuable to them. You can create a variety of content in many different formats, including videos, music, podcasts, and pictures. You can also create interactive content, such as trends, quizzes, and challenges. When creating content, ask yourself, is this valuable to my audience? Is it on brand? Make sure your content is relevant to your niche and make sure it answers questions your audience members may have. Finally, make sure it's authentic and true to who you are. Being your authentic self is the #1 rule of becoming a millionaire influencer. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for content, try creating a pin board of inspiration on Pinterest or use the 5 Whys method to help you generate ideas. Monetizing your platform. Once you've gained a following, you can start monetizing your platform. There are numerous ways you can do this, including through affiliate marketing, advertising, paid guest posts, and sponsorships. As you're looking into different ways to monetize your platform, keep in mind the type of content you share and make sure that it's in line with the terms and conditions of the platforms. There are lots of ways you can monetize your platform, but it's important to do your research and find the option that best fits your tastes and style. Once that's done, it's a matter of creating engaging and valuable content for your audience. This digital real estate will help you make more money, which will make it easier for you to become a millionaire influencer. Conclusion. Becoming a millionaire influencer is a challenge that can be incredibly beneficial when it pays off. There are plenty of examples of influencers of all ages, all colours, all genders who have made millions, and it can be done in many different ways. The key to becoming a millionaire influencer is originality, consistency, authenticity, and honest and engaging content. And with the right tools and strategies, you can achieve your intention. The best way to start is by setting a goal for yourself and taking action towards reaching that goal every day. There's no better time to start than now, and there's nothing stopping you from achieving your dream of becoming a millionaire social media influencer. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.